When you're applying for a home loan, you'll receive important detailed information regarding the costs and terms of your loan you're getting. One of the items that are very important you'll first receive after you apply for a loan is a loan estimate. Your lender will send you a loan estimate typically electronically, so you'll need an email address to communicate with them. And you'll be wondering how to read this information on the loan estimate. In this video, we're going to share with you a couple items and areas to watch out for. My name is Kevin Brierton, Caliber Home Loans, certified mortgage planning specialist. I'm going to talk to you about what you need to know about your loan estimate. The loan estimate tells you important details about your mortgage loan you've requested. A loan estimate is a standard document you'll receive when applying for a mortgage with any lender. The loan estimate, or LE, always follows the same format, so it makes it simple to read and understand. It includes 3 pages, and the lenders are required to send you a loan estimate within 3 days of an official loan application. What is included in a loan estimate? Loan estimate is 3 pages long and is split into 3 sections, which outlines the terms, the closing costs, and the fees associated with the loan. Some of the items you'll find listed in the mortgage estimates include a summary of details of the loan, which includes your loan amount, the terms of your loan, and your initial monthly payment. Your escrow account information, which includes your prorated annual property taxes and homeowners insurance costs. Your estimated loan costs, including your lender fees, title fees, and whatever third-party costs apply. While it's important to understand all the terms in your loan estimate, there are a few key areas you want to pay a special attention to. Page 1. Page 1 of the loan estimate is an overview of the loan terms and costs. You'll want to pay attention to the date issued. The loan estimate is only binding for 10 days after the date. The loan terms and type, make sure these terms are what you want and that all the loan estimates you compare have the same information. Loan interest rate, look for the rate, but also pay attention to page 2, which shows how much you're paying in the form of points to get that rate. Estimated total monthly payments. This shows you how much you're going to pay each month for payment for principal, taxes, and insurance included. Estimated cash to close shows the total, how much you're going to actually need up front, including down payment as well as lender fees and third-party charges. Next, let's look at page 2 of the loan estimate. The second page of the loan estimate breaks down the closing costs shown on first page, but it's better to understand your interest rate and closing costs. You should look at points. This includes a dollar amount if you've paid any points to buy down your interest rate and actually receive the rate shown on page 1. Application underwriting fees. Lenders all charge different fees to process your loan. Services you can shop for. These are third-party services that are not set by your lender, but you're free to shop for the third-party providers. Calculation of cash to close. The box shows you a breakdown of your cash to close on page 1. Finally, let's look at page 3 of the loan estimate. Page 3 of the loan estimate has more key numbers, such as in 5 years, it shows how much you'll pay altogether and how much you'll pay off on your balance over 5 years. APR, or annual percentage rate, represents the total cost over the life of the loan, including interest and upfront costs, as expressed as an annual percentage rate. What does a loan estimate mean? You're pre-approved. Receiving a loan estimate does not mean you're pre-approved for a mortgage. The loan estimate shows you what the terms are of the lender that it's expected if you decide to go with that offer and move forward. But remember, the loan estimate is issued based on the initial look of your application. And after your loan estimate, after you're providing a few key things: your name, your income, the property address of the home you're looking at, the property value or purchase price, your loan amount, and your social security number. At a time lender sends a loan estimate, they haven't seen all of your documentation supporting the numbers on your application. In other words, the loan hasn't been gone through a full underwriting in most cases. If any of your application information can be fully documented, like your income, your savings, your debt, your loan terms are subject to change. The terms in your loan estimate are subject to change if there's a major change in your loan. For instance, if you change your loan term from 30 years to 15 years or decide you want
an adjustable rate instead of a fixed rate. Only after the loan has been fully underwritten and all your documents, you'll be officially approved, or we call it conditionally approved, until you're cleared to close. How accurate is a loan estimate? If you don't have a home picked out yet, your mortgage lender is likely going to give you a quote of all possible loan closing costs. We give a total cost analysis with a clear mortgage plan so you can see side by side options.
Now, here's the question: how do you get a loan estimate? So I want to start by saying thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching now, you've probably got a lot of value out of that. So thank you so much for watching. Loan estimates are only a little piece of the puzzle. If your lender is not providing you options and comparing your long-term and short-term goals and really understanding what's most important to you about your overall plan, that's not necessarily a great advisor or lender to be going through. We provide what's called a total cost analysis, where it's going to give you a clear mortgage plan with side-by-side options after we do a deep dive on understanding what's most important to you and why you're buying, what you're going to do, and how it's going to impact the next 5, 10, and 15 years out. So remember, working with a lender is very important to find the best program, payment, and options to fit your needs. If you have any questions or would like us to put together a plan for you, please reach out. Otherwise, pass this along to any friends, family, or coworkers that are looking to buy, sell, or refinance, and we'd be honored to help. Have a wonderful day, and thanks again for watching.